Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable story replies on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. Select the hamburger icon now in the top right corner. And you want to go scroll down where it says message and story replies and select that. Select story replies near the top. And where it says allow story replies from everyone, you can select that, or allow story replies only from people you follow. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.